Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection, and what I wanted to share with you is actually how this siding here is this great metal siding. As you can see here, let's back off here a little bit so you can see. So it's off this building right here, and but what's interesting, and when I get up on the roof we'll look further, but come on down here, look here, see how this is coming down? Water is getting in between here, and you can see where it's coming out at the bottom here. So we're getting moisture from the roof coming down into here. Now, you know, if it's coming down in between this and I got any insulation or anything, I'm going to have to drill deeper into the walls and see what kind of moisture issues, rusting, or any kind of integrity, structural compromising might have occurred with this. But this is what you're looking for. See, isn't that crazy? Now, you would have never known if you didn't walk around and think about what you're seeing. And this is so important when you're doing a commercial building inspection. Well, thanks folks for watching our videos. I appreciate it. Okay, Galloway Building Services.